All right, here we have it. PS4 with a missing eject button. What are we gonna do to fix it? I was thinking maybe jamming a fucking popsicle stick in there. No, that'll fix it. Or a piece of gum. I'm sure Darth Vader would like that. Make him breathe like. I'm gonna have to think about this. I'm gonna have to make myself a fucking pot of coffee. Put some water in there. Pour that sucker in. And a couple scoops of raisins. No, coffee. I was gonna wait till it perks. Anytime now. Okay, today I'm gonna slap you. Here it comes. Take that. Want some coffee now? Add some delight. A little bit of sugar. Stir and enjoy. Checking up on eBay, and these are the buttons I need. Well, just the one anyway. Holy crap, look at the shipping. $67.11. It's only an $8 part. I'll have to shop somewhere else for this freaking button. But anyway, after all that, I got it shipped. Paid somewhere else. It's all good. Now let's just gotta slide this sucker in. Line it all up. As you can see. And then just give it a little bit of a jam in there. And let's just wait. Click. There you go. It's in. Well, thanks for watching, and that's how you fix an eject button on a PS4 Slim. What a disgusting piece of shit.